Greetings bakers, welcome to Breathe Food and Fun, and today we'll be making these delicious apple pie pockets. So to begin, you'll need to prep your apples. I'm using 4 green apples and I peeled them with a potato peeler and cored the apples using this apple corer and slicer. Then I sliced the apples using a knife. Once that was done, I poured the sliced apples into a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then I repeated this across all 4 apples and massaged the slices into the lemon juice each time. To your sliced up apples, add in half a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now mix it in using a spatula or your hands if you're feeling up to it. Be sure to mix in the ingredients well. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of anise extract. Then mix it together using a spatula. If you want, you can just dump all the ingredients in at once. Moving on, get yourself some pie crust. I use this Pillsbury pie crust, but I would recommend using my pie crust recipe. So add some flour to your cutting board, lay on your crust, sprinkle some more flour on top, add some flour to your rolling pin, and roll out the pie crust until about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now using a circle cookie cutter or a cup that you've dipped in flour, cut out some circles from your pie crust. Repeat this for both sheets if you're using store-bought pie crust, or the entire pie crust recipe if you're using homemade. After prepping your pie crust, add your apple filling to a saucepan that is on a medium heat burner. Use a spatula to maneuver the filling in the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes before mixing again. Add in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to your filling and mix it up. Let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes now and then mix afterward. Let it cool, and once it's done cooling, start to assemble your pie pockets. So lay 1 pie crust circle on your surface and add a scoop of filling. Lay another pie crust circle on top, press it together using your fingers, and now use a fork to close the pastries and add a bit of design. Repeat this for the rest of your filling. And now add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to 1 egg yolk, mix it together and brush it on the pastries. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until you achieve a golden brown on the top of the pastries. Once that step is complete, make the glaze. To a small saucepan, add half a cup of water and half a cup of powdered sugar, so a 1-to-1 ratio. Now mix it together. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix together. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until you see large bubbles form. Now brush your freshly baked and cooled pastries with a glaze. Stack up your pastries and enjoy. The apple flavor really shines through in this recipe along with the spices, making for a delectable dessert. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.